on an Amtrak. We're going. Where are we going?
We're going to Raleigh.
I'm just gonna vlog like us on an Amtrak because I've never done this before. But the one bad thing is that we're sitting this way and the train is going that way. So I'm gonna get dizzy and get a headache, but well, there's medicine.
Remember the man-made river we saw?
Where are we at?
The food cart.
Where's the food cart at?
The Amtrak.
What is the Amtrak?
A train.
That we're riding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Cheese is a fruit.
No, it's not.
Yeah. It's a
Dairy.
vegetable.
Now they
Move
got
your
this,
hand.
if you check your bag, you gotta
We're getting off now.
Watch step this. Watch step.
We're going to the chocolate factory.
watch your step.
This is the hot chocolate from there. It was like really cocoa-y, but I kind of like it because it's different. Thanks for watching this random video of me riding an Amtrak. One thing I need to say though, if you plan on riding one, just know if you're one of those people that are really sensitive to motion and stuff, I would recommend not riding it because whenever I rode it, half the ride I had a headache and then the rest of the day I had a headache, so I had to take Advil. This video was really random. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe first before anything else. Thanks for watching. Bye.